Juniper Networks' innovative virtual chassis fabric technology allows multiple interconnected EX series switches to behave as a single logical switch. Virtual chassis technology increases availability, reduces network latency, improves bandwidth utilization, and simplifies network management. Virtual chassis technology is available on 3 different EX series product lines. The EX4200, a 1 gigabit Ethernet fixed configuration access switch. The EX4500, a 10 gig fixed configuration switch that can be used as an access, aggregation, or core device. And the EX8200, a modular chassis-based core switch. Data center networks traditionally include 3 layers: access, aggregation, and core. In this complex architecture, packets needing to go east and west must first travel north and south, up and down the network tree before arriving at their destination. Each hop in this process adds latency, degrading performance and impacting the user's experience. The problem promises to get worse as server virtualization, storage and I/O convergence, and new application architectures place additional demands on the data center, requiring more devices that add complexity, cost, and risk. Juniper's virtual chassis technology helps reduce this network complexity and improve overall performance. At the access layer, virtual chassis technology directly interconnects switches over high-speed links so they behave as a single, logical device. This consolidates and flattens the network, eliminating hops and reducing network latency since east-west traffic no longer needs to climb the tree. This simplification also results in fewer uplinks and fewer devices to manage, lowering operating expenses. In the access layer, up to 10 EX4200 switches can be interconnected in a single virtual chassis configuration. EX4500 switches can be combined with EX4200s in the same virtual chassis to offer a variety of port, density, and speed options for mixed 1 gig and 10 gig server environments, an industry first. All switches in a virtual chassis share a single Junos operating system, a single IP address, and a single configuration file to greatly simplify management. In a typical data center network, access switches are linked to core devices over dual links for redundancy. This design, however, is prone to bridge loops. Protocols like Spanning Tree can prevent these loops from occurring, but only by disabling up to half the available bandwidth. In addition, link failures in a spanning tree environment cause network-wide reconvergence, which can disrupt network operations for several seconds. Virtual chassis technology creates a network fabric that prevents loops from occurring, eliminating the need for spanning tree and maximizing bandwidth utilization. By eliminating spanning tree, virtual chassis also enables sub-second recovery from network failures without the need for network-wide reconvergence. 2 EX8200 switches can currently be interconnected in a virtual chassis configuration, with support for 4 coming in the near future. The switches employ redundant external routing engines to separate control plane functionality from the data plane, delivering the most resilient data center core design with no single point of failure. Member switches can be separated by up to 40 kilometers, allowing a single EX8200 virtual chassis configuration to span multiple floors or buildings. This creates a simpler, flatter network with higher performance and lower operating costs. To learn more about Juniper's virtual chassis technology, go to juniper.net/switching.